Adding extensions. Before adding any extension to your pole, refer to the X-pole height chart to see if you need any extensions. To add an extension to the B-pole, first take an X-joint and line up the X-joint screw hole with the hole in the B-pole. Slide the X-joint into place so it lines up with the screw hole and the key lines up with the U keyway slot in the pole. Now add the extension and again line it up with the hole in the pole and the X-joint screw hole and slide the extension on. Make sure the key lines up and then push the poles together, making sure there is no gap. Now take the 6mm hex key, the one with the grip, and insert it into the keyhole. Remember to push the hex key firmly into the socket. Turn the hex key clockwise and expand the X-joint, alternating between the screw holes so the X-joint expands evenly. Now take the 180mm X-joint. This is for the 125mm extension. The correct X-joint will have an arrow mark. This should always point up towards the top of the pole. Line up with the screw hole in the X-joint and the hole in the extension and slide it. Twist it slightly if needed to align. The screw hole should be visible and the key situated in the U keyway slot. Now to add the final 125mm extension. Now just line up the extension hole with the X-joint screw hole and slide into position. Align the key and U keyway and push firmly together. Finally, expand the X-joint evenly until tight with the 6mm hex key. You are now ready to put on the base.